welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a rainbow eyeshadow look using neon pigment, neon rainbow eyeshadow look, neon colors on my eyes. Yes, that's what we're going to be doing. Let's ignore my hair, okay? It's just protective styling. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean my face with makeup wipes, with makeup remover. I have the same Can's cleansing water that I used. Okay, so after we're done cleansing, the next thing that I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I use the Pond's dry skin cream. Okay, skin ready. Now let's start. So I generally like to start doing my makeup with my brows. I like to start with my brows first, and then we're going to move to the rest of my makeup. So please, if I keep looking down, my mirror is down here, so yeah, forgive me for that. I use just a random black pencil liner that I got online. I'm going to take my concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro concealer in the wrong shade that came. And now I'm done putting my concealer. It is time for me to blend out. Okay, brows done, and now the next thing we're going to do is our base for the eyeshadow. I'm going in with this lighter shade of the LA Girl in the shade Cool Tan. LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Okay, so now after the concealer is blended out, the next thing we're going to do is to set our concealer. I will use the Airspun powder to be setting mine in the shade 41. Okay, now our base is done. It's time to start the application process. Why am I so excited? So I will be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This palette is not clean. Please ignore it. Let's forget that. I'll be starting with this dark brown. Wow. So the first shade I'll be going in with is this dark brown right here. So I'm just going to put that on my crease on both eyes. Okay, so after that I'm taking this one right here, and I'm going to use it to blend out the orange. So it's going to be like in the outer corners of my crease, like here. So I'm going to use it to blend out the brown. So okay, so after we're done with those two colors, we're going to go in with purple. This shade of purple. Yes, this purple right here, because I don't have any other purple. If I had another purple, I would have used it, because this purple is kind of has like a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, kind of has a little bit of shimmer, but you know, we use what we have. So going in with that purple, I'm just going to focus it on like I'm just gonna darken my face. You see what I'm going to do. So we're going to be generous with this purple. Okay, after the purple we go back in with a bit of brown just at the corner here, just like that. Just very little, it's not even so obvious, but I just know that I used brown. And now back to the transition shade up here to kind of blend everything together, just here. Okay, so now we're done. It is time to cut our crease, and we are done with this palette. I'm using the Colourpop concealer in the shade Golden 40. So you just take some, put it just like right here on your lid, or the bottom of your lid here, and then you look up and you see this line is where you cut your crease from. Oh yeah, and if I didn't mention, you need a matte concealer for this so it dries down, because we're going to be using loose pigment. So after that is done, we just go in with the brush at the edge just to kind of like blend it out a bit, I guess. Okay, so now we're done cutting our crease. We're going to move on to our pigment. So I'm using this pigment. This is just random neon loose pigment that I got online, so they're not branded or anything. So you know how the rainbow goes: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So I'm going to, I don't have red, so I'm going to go pink, orange, yellow, like this lemon yellow, green, and blue. And if you have space for the violet, you can, but since we already kind of used purple, there isn't really any need, or I won't be using it. So now you go into like a fluffy, not fluffy, but a brush like this. So now we have to gently just pick and tap. We're not going to be brushing, we're not going to be blending out, we're just going to pick it and just tap it on our eyelids. Oh yeah, why I'm doing my eyes first, or why you should do your eyes first, is because there's going to be fallout, as you can see already, because this is loose pigment. There would be a lot of fallout. So yellow next. Okay, and now green. Okay, now the last shade is the blue. So now we are done. So what we're just going to do is just going to arrange them, like places you feel need more pigment, you add a bit more pigment so that they're even. As you can see, the blue is overshadowing the green a bit, so I'm just going to go into that green and try to move it a bit. Now we're done, so we're going to move on to the other eye. The same way, the same method. Tap, 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 pick, tap, pick, tap. Okay, so now we're done. Look at my... So now as you can see, the crease that we cut, you can see some colors are kind of like popping up, like here, the yellow, you're kind of like popping up out. So you just take a brush and just slowly just clean it. Just see, slowly, because it's loose pigment, so it's just like wiping it off. Slowly just kind of see, like that. Better. I kind of don't want to remove this thing because it looks cute, but we have to move on. Now we're done with that. The next thing is eyeliner. So we're gonna try and do a wing liner. Nothing too extravagant, because I'm not so good with extravagant eyeliners. If you are, you can go for it, you know, but not me. Now we're just gonna take a spoolie and try to like remove some of this product from the lashes. Okay, and now mascara. This mascara I got from Miniso. This is the point where you prime your face. I have some dark areas around my mouth here. I have hyperpigmentation and it gets dark underneath my eyes here. So these are just the only two places that I color correct. Now I go with the brighter LA Girl Concealer Cool Tan. use the ABH Contour Cream Kit, the darkest shade Carob, for my cheekbones and everywhere. I don't bake, this powder is too light for me, so I feel like if I bake it's just going to be so white. Okay, so just for contouring, I'm going in with this face powder from Classic. I'm just going to use that all over my face. So now it's time for me to contour. I'm using some random contour that I got online on Taobao. So after that, I'm just going to go with just this brush and just kind of like marry everything together. Okay, so the next step is the blush. I'm using this Primark blush in the shade Infatuation. Okay, for highlights, my favorite part, I will be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm using this highlight here, Sunray. So because the pigment comes all the way here, so I'm just going to do underneath the tear duct here. So now it's time for lipstick. I will be using those of colors in the shade Chocolate Wasted, and in the middle I'm using those of colors in the shade Cork. After that, after using the dose of colors, now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop concealer. We're officially done with this look. This is the button where you use your setting spray, whatever setting spray you have. I'm out of setting spray and I need to buy new one, I know. So I'm just going to be using this glitter shimmery setting spray from Taobao. And this is the final look officially, guys. I hope you like it. Let me put on my wig so you can see how it all ties it all together. Okay guys, I'm back with my wig, hair and earrings done. This is such a very colorful look, so you don't want the attention away from your eyes, so the rest of your face should just be nude, just like mine. Anyway, yeah, this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this coming your way. I promise you I'm gonna be consistent and whatnot. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy. This is the end now officially. Bye. Yeah, look at my hand, okay? Yeah, okay, yeah, okay, whatever. Bye.